Sir, Ratnakar Sahu, senior officer, brutally attacked today. And what your association is going for a protest?
We are seriously protesting. It's a very act of despicable. It's highly condemnable, and we are seriously protesting the act and the way they have attacked an additional commissioner during his office hour and during hearing of a grievance. This is extremely unfortunate incident, and we have not seen such an incident in near future.
We are going for mass leave.
We have decided. We are asking all the district association to go for mass leave.
And how the Ratnakar Sahu health condition?
He is extremely traumatized. He is extremely panicked. He is shocked. He is extremely shocked.
Ratnakar Sahu.
Yes. His family is also shocked. He is highly traumatized, and
Who? Ratnakar Sahu.
Ratnakar is the victim.
How
The victim.
How has
He is one of a brilliant officer. He worked so many years. 2 decades he worked in KBK districts. He worked in Malkangiri, he worked in Kandhamal, he worked in Nabarangpur for so many years. His entire life he has contributed in KBK districts. And he's an outstanding officer, and he's an innocent officer. He always hear grievances. Such a thing is never acceptable.
he mentally imbalanced?
He is completely imbalanced. He is not able to talk to me even. I tried to talk to him for several times today. He never picked up. Even his phone, I think his phone is also not there with him. So his colleague officer, I have tried to his colleague officer also. He is not able to speak.
But association is talked or not?
We are stunned. We are speechless. The entire, you can see hundreds of officers here at this hour, and across the state everybody is here, and somebody is coming also. It's not done actually. Thank you.